Most painting businesses don't fail because of bad work. They fail because of bad systems. Missed calls, messy quotes, late invoices, and poor scheduling slowly kill profit. Most people get this wrong and think more effort will fix everything. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, the painting businesses growing the fastest are the ones using simple apps to stay organized and close more jobs. In this video, you'll learn the 16 best apps for painting businesses in 2026 that help you get more leads, price jobs faster, manage your team, and get paid without stress. Let's start with the biggest problem. Most painters lose customers before they even get a chance to quote. Why? Because they reply too slowly. Apps like Jobber and Housecall Pro fix this instantly. They capture leads, send instant replies, and let you schedule jobs automatically. So when someone like Jake requests a house painting, quote, you respond in minutes, not hours. But here's the problem. Even if you respond fast, you still need trust. That's where Google Business Profile becomes powerful. It helps your painting business show up when people search painters near me. Alex, a small painter in Florida, doubled his calls just by uploading project photos every week and collecting reviews. Now here's where it gets interesting. The most successful painting businesses don't just work harder. They look more professional. Apps like Canva help you create before and after photos and social media posts that attract homeowners instantly. Now let's talk about pricing. Slow estimates lose jobs. Tools like Joist and Jobber let you send clean, professional quotes in minutes. No paperwork. No delays. Just fast, clear pricing that wins trust. But here's another big issue. Getting paid late. Apps like QuickBooks and Square fix this by letting you send invoices immediately after finishing a job. Some painters even get paid on site before leaving the house. Now let's improve efficiency. Google Maps and Routeform help you plan daily routes so you waste less time driving and complete more jobs each day. That means more income without more work hours. Now let's talk team management. Apps like WhatsApp Business and Slack keep your crew connected in real time. Everyone knows where to be, what to do, and when to show up. For customer follow-up, MailChimp helps you stay in touch with past clients. This is powerful because most painting jobs come from repeat customers or referrals. Now here's a hidden growth tool. Nicheshop automatically asks customers for reviews after each project. More reviews mean more trust, and more trust means more bookings. For lead generation, Thumbtack and Angie connect you with homeowners actively searching for painting services right now. These are high-intent leads, not cold traffic. Google Calendar keeps your schedule clean so you never double book or forget appointments. And Zapier connects all your apps together so your business runs automatically in the background. Here are the key takeaways. The best painting businesses in 2026 are not relying on memory or manual work. They are using apps to respond faster, look more professional, get paid quicker, and stay organized. Start small. Pick a few apps that solve your biggest problems first. Then build from there. If you do this right, you will stop losing jobs to slow competitors and start running a painting business that feels smooth, organized, and profitable. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment what business you want next, and subscribe for more real-world business growth systems.